morning students. I am your teacher Miss Rimsha Munawar. Today we are going to do the English lecture about grammar. The first we are doing full stop and comma. It's all about the punctuation mark we are doing it. First of all, in full stop we are going to do the definition and the concept of the full stop. The concept is the little dot at the end of the sentence. It is called full stop. Why it's called the full stop? Because it's complete the sentence. Secondly, we are going forward to comma. Comma is like to separate the naming words and the different ideas. We are use comma to separate the naming words or the comma different ideas. So let's move to the exercise of these two topics. So full stop and comma. As I give you the concept, the little dot at the end of the sentence is called a full stop. Full stop shows that a sentence is complete. When we put a full stop at the end of the sentence, it means the sentence is complete. Like we learn English grammar and there is a full stop over there which shows that the sentence is complete. She is my elder sister. Then we put the full stop to complete the sentence. Rahim loves his brother. At the end we put full stop over there. Hope you can understand where we have to put the full stop to complete the sentence. Let's just do the first exercise. Write complete sentence with a full stop at the end. So these are some sentences in which we are going to put full stop at the end to complete the sentence. Sarah is reading a book. Sarah is reading a book, and then you have to put a full stop over there to complete the sentence. Second is our school will reopen on Monday. There is no full stop over there. We need to rewrite the sentence like our school will reopen on Monday, and we have to put a full stop at the end of the sentence to complete the sentence. So move to the next page. There are the third one. We are in the classroom, and there is no full stop over there, so it means the sentence is not complete yet. We are in the classroom. We have to put the full stop over there. I live in Lahore. I live in Lahore, and we have to put the full stop over there. Then we have the next one, comma. As I introduce you in the lecture, starting of the lecture, we use comma to separate the naming words and the different ideas. हम कोमा तब इस्तेमाल करते हैं बेटा जब हम दो आइडियाज़ को या दो नेमिंग नाउन्स को सेपरेट कर रहे होते हैं, अलग कर रहे होते हैं. वी हैव अ पेंसिल एंड इरेजर एंड अ बैग. Over there we have three things in, and we can't put the comma. We have to put the comma between a pencil and an eraser. Then Raza, Majid and Nabil are class fellows. Full stop. Where we have to put comma in between Raza and Majid, because in and we can't put a comma. Nadia has 2 dolls, 1 doll's house and 4 toy cars. Nadia has 2 dolls, comma, then 1 doll's house and 4 toy cars. Aisha, Tuba and Arib are friends. As Tuba and Arib are friends, we have to put comma in between Aisha and Tuba. Let's move to the exercise. Rewrite the following sentence with a comma where you think it is needed. बेटा हमने इन sentences में वहाँ comma apply करना है जहाँ पे we think that it will put over there. So what first sentence is, my favorite color are blue, green and black. As I give you the indication, we have to put comma in between first two words, like my favorite colors are blue, comma, green and black. Then we have to put full stop to complete the sentence. Moving to the next one, I like apple, orange and banana. I like apple, you need to put a comma, then orange and banana, then a full stop over there to complete the sentence. Sana, Ikra and Tuba are sisters. Sana, comma, Ikra and Tuba are sisters. We need to put a full stop over there to complete the sentence. Then we have fourth one, I play cricket, football and badminton. There are 3 games. We need to put comma in between cricket and full stop, like I play cricket, comma, football and badminton, and we need to put a full stop at the end. My mother is hardworking, intelligent and caring. Where we have to put comma, my mother is hardworking, comma, intelligent and caring. In the last we have to put a full stop. Hope it is clear to you. Now moving to the next exercise, complete the sentence. We use comma to separate the naming words, nouns. हम comma बेटा separate naming words को separate करने के लिए we have to put the commas. So put a comma where necessary. We have to put comma where it is necessary in the given sentences. So first one is, I have a pencil, 5 notebooks and a bag. Over there we have to put I have a pencil and then comma to separate two things and a bag. He has a bicycle, a motorbike and a car. We need to put a comma between bicycle and a motorbike. The room was dirty, dark and empty, where we have to put comma in between dirty and dark. I like apple, banana and mango. Over there we have to put apple and banana. In between we have to put the comma. Let's move to the next exercise. Make the following list with commas. Here we given the list of different things. We need to just put the things in it with the help of a comma. A list of 3 animals. There we have to write 3 animals like lion, comma, tiger, comma, monkey. Then a list of 3 things in your room like bed, fan, light. A list of 3 birds. It's like owl, comma, crow, comma, sparrow. A list of 3 things in your bag. It might be pencil, notebook. Pencil, comma is compulsory. Pencil, comma, notebook, comma, lunch. A list of 3 parts of body. It might be any part of body like eyes, comma, nose, comma, ear. So these are the lecture all about full stop and comma. Hopefully you understand. Thank you so much for listening. Jazakallah.